Can I break it?
What is this one?
It's a marble run.
Marble Run. And this one?
Was a line.
Line. Okay. Like a roller coaster. Right?
Ah!
Oh.
It's broken. Please can you help me uncle?
Yes, yes.
It should work. With this and that. Please uncle help me good.
Okay. Just fit there. Press.
No. Let's put this here. Okay. Let's put this here, up here. This not. Let's only do it one by one.
No. No. Wrong. That one go down. Under this one. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
We need to get the small one, this one, the blue one. Matched it.
Yeah.
We already
Now it's
finished
okay.
them.
Yeah. Almost finished.
Now let's do the other one, Uncle.
Okay.
Hey, you keep this here.
Yeah, I kept there.
Stop
Oh my
keeping
God! You have full bag of this toys.
It's a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
I just dropped my breathing.
What are you doing this marble?
Enough. What we'll do with this? Let's do it.
Now try it here. Put one marble here. How it goes?
No.
Yeah.
Let's do this one in the top.
Oh, it cannot support. It will fall down.
It's so heavy, yeah?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Let's put this
It's
here.
heavy. See. Oh.
Oh. I don't do it gently, yeah?
Yes.
Put this here.
Who are there? Oh, Robo. Transformer. Ow, oh, ow, oh, ow.
I need to put this here. Please help me.
He has gun as well. And so.
Uncle, let's help.
What is he doing? Sleeping. And cows. Oh my God, in your house, cows are also. And what is this one? A sheep. Oh no.
A
Yeah.
cow.
Oh, this is cow?
It's a donkey, I think.
Donkey, man.
No, it's a horse, I think. A horse.
Oh, horse. Okay.
Uncle, help me. I can't do it.
What?
Help me with this.
Okay.
This actually need a fit.
Yes.
The mother's trap treat. Oh. Here, put this. Here. And then go to the strip here. Whoa. Oops. Here. Oops. This microphone now is finished.
Yeah, try it.
Oops. It's fun.
Yeah. Oh. I think you need lift this one this side like that.
Oh yeah, this side.
Yes. Now it will work. Yeah. See. Oh.
Smart boy, Uncle.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now, this will be a fun one for Max, yeah?
Yes, it is fun for Max.
Let's put the marble in the cooking jar, yeah?
Okay.
Let's do the next one. Okay, boom, boom, boom.
Vroom, vroom.
driving in the car.
Yeah, you're driving the car. It's very nice. You know how to drive, yeah?
Just need to do like. I'm a crazy girl.
Crazy girl.
Yeah.
Who is crazy girl? You, Joya.
I'm a crazy fancy girl.
Crazy fancy girl. Oh my god.
I am not gonna. I'm doing it. It's gonna be done, Uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not fitting. No fitting, Uncle. Now fitting.
It will fit.
Hey,
You are very intelligent. You can do.
Yeah.
You are very talented, yeah? It's done, I think.
Put this here, yeah?
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
Yeah,
is
that's
that
nice.
upside down?
Yeah, nice.
Hey, no, what?
Yeah, it will work.
It's upside down? No. Let me see this work. Oh. It's like wrong. Here?
Yeah.
Oops.
Yes. Yeah, it's good.
Now let's put this here. Then the marble will go. Let's see this thing.
Oh, you pushed.
Oops, sorry, Uncle. Let me break it. This need to go there, I think. No, it's not fitting right. And that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Exactly what's going here. I need to put it here. There you go.
Yeah.
The marble's behind my leg.
Oh.
Hey, no walking. What?
Oh, is it working? Yeah, you can lift it.
It's not working, Uncle. How strange is this?
Yeah, it is strange, very strange. Because this must be a little bit up, higher,
Oh yeah,
high
like
altitude.
this.
You always forget.
Oops. No, we need to put
Yes.
here and here
Yeah,
to make the.
yeah. It must be sloping one.
Oh, I need this.
Yeah.
What? Now I'm good at it.
Yeah. Now you finished.
The marble need to.
Oh.
Let's see it be properly here like this. Like this, Uncle, yeah?
It will not go again. Oh.
Now what? No, it's working.
Remove one stage. Okay, it's fine.
No, not fine, Uncle.
Now add it.
Uncle, fix this.
Okay, we'll fix now.
Let's fix it.
Put your marble anywhere. Oh. Is there more marble?
No, there's only one.
I lift slowly. Okay.
Uncle.
Yeah, now here.
I need to find some
Now
more
here.
marbles. Wait, Uncle, I'll find some more.
Yeah, now put here.